Looking to gain weight and muscle quickly? It's a common aspiration, right? But often it's easier said than done. It takes more than just hitting the gym, it's a whole lifestyle including what you put on your plate. And that's what we're here to chat about today. We're delving into the world of nutritious foods that can help speed up your journey to a stronger you. So, are you ready to power up your diet? Stay tuned if you're interested in learning about 5 foods that can help you reach this goal. First on the list is lean red meat. This choice is a powerhouse of protein, a critical building block for muscle growth. But protein is not the only thing lean red meat has to offer. It's also rich in iron, a mineral that plays an essential role in creating hemoglobin, which carries oxygen to your muscles. Without enough iron, your muscles may get tired before they've had a good workout. Lean red meat also boasts a high content of B vitamins. These vitamins assist in converting the food you eat into energy, which is crucial for a strenuous workout. They also aid in forming red blood cells, which are vital for transporting oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. So if you're looking for a food that packs a punch in terms of protein, iron, and B vitamins, lean red meat is a top contender. So, lean red meat is a great choice for those wanting to bulk up. Next up, we have quinoa. This humble grain has been around for centuries, but it's only recently begun to shine in the limelight of health and fitness. And for good reason. Quinoa is a treasure trove of protein, packing more of this muscle-building nutrient than most other grains. But it's not just about the quantity of protein, it's about the quality. Quinoa is one of the rare plant foods that provide all 9 essential amino acids. These are the building blocks of protein that our bodies can't produce on their own. So when we talk about a complete protein source, quinoa fits the bill perfectly. What does this mean for those looking to gain weight and muscle? Well, it's simple. Quinoa fuels your workouts and aids in muscle recovery. It helps in building lean muscle mass, which in turn increases your overall weight in a healthy and sustainable way. Indeed, quinoa is not just a trendy health food, but a muscle-building powerhouse. Now let's talk about eggs and Greek yogurt. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients like vitamins A, D, and E. These nutrients are vital for muscle repair and can help boost your muscle growth. But the benefits of eggs don't stop there. They're also rich in choline, a nutrient that's essential for brain health. Moving on to Greek yogurt, it's a fantastic source of protein, which is an integral part of building muscle. But that's not all. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that can aid in digestion and overall health. This is especially important for those who are working out regularly and need optimal digestion to absorb all the nutrients from their food. In conclusion, eggs and Greek yogurt are both excellent and versatile additions to your muscle-building diet. They're not just nutritious, but also delicious, making it easier to meet your protein needs and build muscle effectively. Finally, we have cottage cheese. A powerhouse of nutrition, cottage cheese is not just about its creamy, tangy taste. Packed with protein, particularly casein, this humble cheese stands out in the realm of muscle-building foods. Casein, a slow-digesting protein, is the unsung hero of muscle maintenance. Because it releases slowly into your system, it provides your muscles with a steady supply of protein, ensuring they have the resources to repair and grow even while you sleep. Now let's take a step back and revisit our journey through the 5 foods that can fast-track your weight and muscle gain. We started with quinoa, a complete protein, high in fiber and minerals. Then we moved on to avocados, a healthy fat source that also provides essential vitamins and minerals. Following that, we discovered the benefits of lean beef, a high-quality protein source, rich in amino acids that aid muscle growth. Eggs, our 4th food, offered us a cocktail of proteins, healthy fats, and B vitamins. And we wrapped up with cottage cheese, the slow-digesting protein champion. Every food we've discussed today brings something unique to the table, contributing to a well-rounded diet that can support your health and fitness goals. Remember, incorporating these 5 foods into your diet can greatly help in your journey to gain weight and muscle quickly. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more healthy content like this.